Yes, the British Airways day. Kaka, you're leaving.
So this is my cousin Micah. Actually, we call her Kakay. And sadly, tapos na yung bakasyon niya dito kaya uuwi na siya sa kanila. But guys, sanay kami sa ganitong eksena kasi yung family namin were always in the airport. No goodbyes, just see you later. Let's start the story noong dumating siya dito. Okay, so now we're going to the airport kasi nga finally dumating na si Kakay, landed na yung eroplano. Kaso I just don't know how long will it take for her to go out talaga sa labas mismo. Kaya pero sabi niya nandiyan na daw. Try nating puntahan. Kasi nga hindi kami makapunta doon sa mismong airport kasi 'di ba hindi naman pwede mag-park. Nakikiparking lang kami dito sa Sabi mo kung saan tayo nakapark?
Sa gasoline station.
Nakapark kami sa gasoline station, pero bawal. Diba? Supposedly hindi pwede, pero push na natin. Kaya puntahan na natin si Kakay. Okay. Guys, grabe ang buwan. Ang laki-laki. Look. Sobrang laki ng buwan, pera bate. And tara, let's go. Let's give it a try. So ayun nga, excited ako kasi nga for how many years kong hindi nakita tong pinsan kong to. And finally, nag-decide siya na bisitahin kami ni Mark. Kaya ako naman, mas gusto ko naman yung ganito na yung mga pinsan ko is pupunta sa amin para bisitahin kami. Mas nakakatawa, di ba? Kaysa naman sa iba pa sila pumunta, no? Dito na lang sila pumunta sa amin. Dito sila magbakasyon. Mas bongga pa. Masyado maliwanag dito sa airport. So guys, this is it. I am in Milano Linate. So this is our airport. This is the local airport dito sa amin. And 15 minutes lang yan from our house by car. So guys, Kakay has already messaged me. Tingnan natin kung anong message niya. I hope na ready na siya or nandito na siya sa labas. Kasi sabi ko, just text me kapag andito ka na sa labas. So I think nasa labas na siya. I hope so. Let's tingnan natin. Ate ko pala, mama niya. We are waiting for Kai. Dito. Airport. Akala ko si Kakay na to. Sa Instagram siya nagme-message. Oh, wait lang. Daming tao, guys. Sobrang daming nagbibiyahe kasi 'di ba, since vacation na, sobrang daming nagbabiyahe. So, I don't know where will I find my cousin. Medyo gabi na. Nasa immigration na daw pala. Okay. So, I am here. So guys, I'm currently here in the arrival. At dito natin siya babantayan, di ba? Ganyan-ganyan tayo. Alam natin yung mga OFW ang pek. Kakatuwa. I just hope ma-capture ng camera na dadating siya, no? I'm vlogging! I'm vlogging, guys. Kamusta?
Oh, you have a...
Ano?
You have a mic on.
I have my mic on. How are you? Kamusta ang iyong ano?
It was good.
Ang dami mong dala talaga. So finally, kasama ko na si Kakay. Bakit sorry?
It was really delayed.
Delayed kasi yung flight niya. Na ang ilang hours, parang 2 hours. Akin na nga yung isa, Kakay, day. Talagyan daw niya ng chocolate to, kaya may dala-dala siyang maraming... Ang lalaman lang niya dito pagbalik Fonsis.
No.
What?
Mga mami, ang gusto ko ng bag.
What bag does she want na naman?
Well, mommy said
Ah, okay.
Mom, I know in your budget. She said an amount. I was like, man, I don't think that's gonna happen. Goyard is expensive.
How much daw ang budget niya ng Goyard?
300, 400.
Wala namang Goyard na 300,
Yeah.
400.
That's what I said. I was like, I don't think it works like that.
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out.
Okay guys, so as you can see, we are in... May ano ba? May mic ba ako?
Yeah, it's blue.
Sound check, 1, 2, 3, 1. So, we are here in the Swiss train. Papunta kaming Foxtown, Mendrisio because I'm with Kakay.
Hello.
At kami ay magsha-shopping. Siya magsha-shopping, hindi ako.
Oh, Kuya, look, it's so pretty.
So, this time, nandito na kami sa Como. Sa Como na to. Tapos, ilang stops lang. Siguro 2 or 3 stops. Nasa, ano na kami, Foxtown na kami. Foxtown is the outlet from Switzerland. Sana makita natin yung Switzerland from this, this side.
Seeing colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days.
Last stop! Last stop na. Nakarating din tayo finally. Ang galing.
Mabilis lang ang ano. Yan.
I told you, 1 hour lang.
Yan.
Guys, we're already in Switzerland. Look at that flag. Nasa Switzerland na kami.
Yan na.
Pero ang ganda ng lugar dito, tinan mo. You see?
Iba yung ano.
Iba no? Very different, ano? Ibang vibe. Kasi it's Switzerland. Ito ba, very clean. Di ba? Hindi, iba very different. Sabi nga nila, ang Switzerland daw is the paradise on earth ka naman.
I thought we would be going past that. The mountain. Or may ibang mountain na yung dinaanan.
Eh, mga mountain na nga yan. That's
Ganda.
why. O baka,
But it's obviously still gives Italian vibes, diba? Nandito
Yes.
na agad tayo.
parang,
Nakabilis. Pagba na.
bababa na tayo?
I think so. It's only 2 minutes. Yeah, we're here.
Really?
Yeah, we're here. This is the platform, kuya. Ito
Oo
na
nga.
tayo.
Eh, ito na ata ang Foxtown eh.
Yeah.
Ang bilis. Grabe, ang bilis. Nandito na tayo sa Foxtown. My face, we didn't leave anything, no? We're here!
Ang ganda kuya, linis.
I told you.
Very clean.
Ang tanong, Kakay. Saan ang daan? You're the one with the internet. I don't have internet. So, dahil ako ay walang internet dito sa Switzerland at si Kakay ang may roaming, si Kakay ang ating tour guide for today.
Yes. First of all, we need to leave the platform.
Oo nga.
Ang problem.
So, di ba yan ang train ng Switzerland o kulay puti? It's called Tilo.
4 minutes. Sundan natin sila.
Yes. I think they're also going there. Yung mountain, oh. I don't know. Where do we go?
Where's the exit?
I think dito
Take the stairs. Kasi may rampa sila po. May rampa.
or doon.
Because we have to go
Ha?
downstairs.
Ha? Saram? Hindi. Mag-ano lang tayo. Mag-stairs na lang tayo. Kasi meron silang may luggage sila.
Kala ko exit. Mataas tayo pa.
Oo, kasi nga, di ba mountain nga ito.
Tayo.
So, ito na ang journey papuntang Foxtown. Ayun o, Negozzi Foxtown there. May sign. Ang sabi dito, sundin lang natin ang mga nakasulat. Anong sabi dyan? Sabi dyan, oh, Foxtown. Oh, go there.